What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to create and use multiple desktop folders. Let's get right into it. So, first things first, whenever you switch between multiple desktop folders, all of your shortcuts, like right here, all of these are shortcuts. You can tell because they have the box with the arrow. All of these are shortcuts. The shortcuts will remain the same between desktop folders. Those carry over no matter what. What we are going to be paying attention to are important files. So these are going to be folders that you have, different programs that you have that are native to the desktop, anything that runs without being installed, but all of your shortcuts will remain the same. So in this purpose, we are going to focus on this note document right here, which is just named important files. So in order to create multiple desktop folders, I would suggest opening up your File Explorer, going to your C drive, or if you want to use an external drive, that also works, but I'm going to be using my C drive for today. And then you want to right click, press new, create a new folder, and I would name it Workstations. And then in your workstations, you will be able to create different desktops. So in this one, I'm going to name it Desktop 1. And then I'm going to create another one and name it Desktop 2. Currently, my folder is located within my D drive under Workstations, and it is located right here in this desktop folder, but I'm going to be showing you under the Windows C drive. So in order to switch to one of your different desktop workstations, what you're going to want to do is go over here on the left side, go to the top under Quick Access, and find your desktop. Right click on that, go down to where it says Properties, and then you will open up this menu right here. Go to Location. Under Location, you can see that I am in the D drive, which I pointed out here as my external drive. You can see it is in my D drive, and then Workstation, and then Desktop. Now notice right here how it says Desktop 1. Right here it only says Desktop. It does not differentiate between 1 or 2. So in order to fix this problem so we can make sure that we are staying organized, you want to make sure that in your C drive with your workstations where it says Desktop 1 and 2, you actually have another folder on the inside with your desktop. So whenever we are switching between our desktops in our folder, we are going to want to click on Move and then Path to our C drive. Go to Workstations, click on the desktop that you want, and then select Folder. Then you are going to want to click Apply. And right here, this is asking you if you want to move all of your old data to the new location. We want to press No because we want to keep these separate, and then press OK. And as you can see, it changed to the blue desktop icon. Now the reason that we wanted to have it inside of the Desktop 1 folder is so we can stay organized. Otherwise, we would just have a long list of desktops that look just like this. So now when we exit out of that, we can see that my important note file is no longer here, and we can create a new file. We're going to name this Desktop 1 Test. So now that we have our Desktop 1 Test, this can be your video creating desktop, this can be your art creating desktop, this can be your music desktop, this can be your homework desktop. Everything that pertains to one thing or the other can be in here to stay very organized, but you will notice that all of your shortcuts stay the same. So in order to go back, you repeat the same process. Open up your File Explorer, find the desktop button here at the top, and we can see under here we have our Desktop 1 Test, which is right here. So in order to switch back, you right click on your desktop, go to Properties, again go to Location, and then move the location to what you previously had it before. which for me was under external. I had a separate workstation. Click on desktop, select folder, apply, hit no so we keep everything separate, and press OK. Close out of this, and we can see that our important files are back. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it helped. Leave a like if it did. If you did not like the video, please leave a dislike. Any feedback will help. If you're new, subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.